It's Joeysworld. So, one of my favorite restaurants at Disney Springs is the Lava Lounge, located at the Rainforest Cafe. The Rainforest Cafe is neat, but a lot of times it's very noisy. With all kinds of sounds and lights going on. So I prefer the somewhat hidden Lava Lounge. It overlooks the water. And it's very relaxing. Even though it's quiet, it still has a jungle theme. And it has a bar, fans, everything you need for a great meal. We really like lunch there. It's not fancy food, but it's very good. Here we are at this Rainforest Cafe, and guess what? I was just in that car.
I see it.
The Lava Lounge, making all the noises above the volcano, inside a storm brewing.
So what did you get, Joe?
I got a big barbecue bacon cheeseburger.
Seasoned fries. I love the paper. You want to remove the top off the burger so we can take a look at it real quick? Oh, nice.
I don't need.
Keith, what did you get?
Pulled pork burger. You can see the pulled pork in there.
Nice.
I don't want to unleash it.
That's okay. And I got the turkey wrap with slaw fries. All right, time to eat. We starving. So my turkey wrap, the Caesar dressing was delicious. So were the fries and the slaw. I guess yours was pretty good, huh?
It was excellent.
And you got the barbecue burger.
I love that barbecue burger.
You got the pulled pork, which had onion rings on it. How was that?
Good. Good. I did well. I'm getting farther than I thought I would.
It is a lot. Oh, he's coming over. We'll have to wave hello.
Let's do it.
We get a little close.
Hey, Dale!
Oh,
Dale! Whoa, Joey, that was your captain from before.
That's right. That's beautiful.
That was so nice. And is he doing another go around with us?
There he goes. And if you have a Landry's card, you get points, which goes to cost of your meal. This is a great hideaway for a break.
Joe?
Well, here we are at the lovely Rainforest Cafe.
What's a good bit of advice for somebody? Maybe make a reservation?
My advice is make a reservation early so you will have to wait 12 hours, 1 hour, excuse me.
Okay.
Extra, extra. Mom has more than just one boyfriend.
Oh! And you think you're funny? He thinks he's funny. Let's go.